In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Canva templates. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Canva, prepare your design, and share it in the way that makes the most sense for your audience or team. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. Click the official Canva website to head straight to the homepage. This ensures you're in the right place and ready to go without distractions or pop-ups from unofficial sites. Next, make sure you're logged into your account. Check the top right corner to confirm you're signed into the correct profile, especially if you manage more than one account. Being on the right account makes access and permissions smooth later on. Once you're on the homepage, find and select the design or template you want to share. You can open a recent design from your dashboard or browse your projects to locate the right one. Give it a quick review to make sure everything looks the way you want before sending it out. With your design open, click the share button in the top right corner. This is the control center for all sharing options. It's where you'll decide whether to invite specific people or create a link that you can send anywhere. If you want to share directly with specific people, type their email address into the field provided. As you add recipients, you can set what they're allowed to do when they open the design. This is helpful if you want tight control over who can access it without forwarding. You can also share by link. This is great for sending in a chat, posting in a group, or sharing with a broader audience. Before you copy the link, take a moment to make sure the settings match your intention. Choose how others can access your template. For collaborative work, allow editing so teammates can jump in and make changes. For feedback without edits, choose view or comment. If you want people to start their own copy without changing your original, use the template option so they'll open a fresh version they can customize. When you're ready, click copy link, paste that link into an email, message, or anywhere your audience will see it. If you need to make adjustments later, like changing permissions or stopping access, come back to the same share menu to update the settings. That's it. You searched for Canva, logged in, selected your design, clicked share, chose the right access, and copied the link. You're all set to share your Canva templates confidently and securely.